All right, time for some Thursday birthdays here in the 4 states. We're heading over to Pittsburgh first for Penelope Grace Hart Harrison, celebrating birthday number 1. Says, Papa and Nana love you lots. Happy birthday, Penelope.
All right, and we have Leah Rush turning 3 years old this year. And happy birthday wishes come from Mommy, Daddy, Matthew, and Sawyer.
And we've got Rayleigh Rose Blackledge celebrating birthday number 5 in Joplin, and she's the one right there in the middle. A very happy birthday to you.
I like that picture. That's cute. Let's see, we've got the Mitchell twins. Oh, talk about cuteness. A double trouble there. Parker and Carter Mitchell turning 5 years old in Iola. Happy birthday from Grandma and JoJo.
And we've got Zyler Liabo celebrating birthday number 7 in Chicopee, Kansas. Happy birthday, Zyler.
All right, and Jackson Model is 10 years old this year in Pittsburgh. Oh, yeah, Leif told me it was going to be your birthday today. May the 4th be with you as well. All right, and we love you, Mom, Dad, Mimi, and Papa.
And we've got Brinley Weir celebrating birthday number 11 over in Girard, with happy birthday wishes coming from Mom, Dad, and Sissy.
All right. Garrity Bishop turning 13 years old this year in Nevada, with lots of love from your baby cousin and biggest fan, Fisher Kate.
And we've got Addie Finley turning 16 over in Chanute. A very happy birthday going out to Addie.
All right, Morgan Christie in Webb City. Got a note here. Miss Morgan works at Bryant Student Health Center at PSU. Well, thank you.
And we've got Chandra Clark over in Columbus celebrating a birthday to you. Happy birthday, Shonda.
And we got another Pitt State employee here, Mr. John Cooper in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday.
And we've also got Deborah Trim celebrating birthday number 56 in Thayer. Happy birthday, Deborah.
All right, in Chanute, Brenda Whitworth turning 58 this year. That's a really cool flower vase there. That's sweet.
Yes, it is. That's
Happy
very
birthday,
cool.
Brenda.
And we've got Connie Edwards celebrating birthday number 59 in Girard, with happy birthday wishes coming from Mom, for Mom, from your daughter and granddaughter.
And let's see, we have Randy Beeman turning the big 6-0. All right, in Independence. Happy birthday, Randy.
And last but certainly not least, we've got Gary Ward celebrating birthday number 72 in Yates Center, with love from your wife.
That's right.
Boy, that was an excellent list. And this is what I like. The bottom of our list, on our little paper list, says there's 0 birthdays without pictures. And that's what we like. We love seeing these pictures because they're always so wonderful. Lots of pictures in this. Tanya, where do they need to send their pictures so they can celebrate with us?
Well, they can simply send them, attach them to your email and send them to birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, on our website, you know what else you can do? You can sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So make sure you head over to KOAMnewsnow.com. Sign up for that birthday club today.